Hello students, in this video we are going to solve the notebook exercise for chapter number 15. The chapter name is Disaster and Rescue. Class 5, subject EVS GCERT. So before starting that, we will recall what we had seen in this chapter. So in the previous videos of this chapter, we had seen what is disaster and what is rescue. So in the meaning of disaster, we had seen that any event which causes a large harm or large destruction to any property or human lives, so that is known as the disaster. We had also seen the examples of disaster like flood, storm, then after other examples like drought, what are the destruction or how the people are suffering from this disaster, that we had seen. And then after we had also seen about some of the accidents, road accidents, and we had also seen the meaning of the accident, that generally these accidents happens due to the mistake or blunder of any person. And because of this kind of accidents, one or more people suffer losses of their property as well as their lives also. So these are the things we had seen, and then we had seen some examples of accidents also, like falling from a staircase, then after falling on a wet floor, road accidents, cutting our finger by the knife. So these are some of the examples of accidents we had seen. And then after we had identify an event which one is either it is a disaster or accident, and we have also seen what safety measures we can take to prevent or to save ourselves from this kind of disaster or accident. We had also seen some of the details or information from the photos of disaster or accident. And then after we had seen about the rescue. So rescue, that means we had seen to save something. Here in this chapter we had seen the rescue in terms of how we can save ourselves and our property from this kind of disaster or accidents. And we had also seen some of the information about this disaster and accidents which took place in our country and how the people are affected through these events. So these are the things we had seen in this chapter. So now let me start the notebook exercise for this chapter. So here first, before starting the exercise, the hard words for this chapter is given to you. So you have to write these hard words in your notebook. So first one in that is disaster. D-I-S-A-S-T-E-R, disaster. Next one, second number is rescue. R-E-S-C-U-E, that is rescue. Next, third number is accident. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T, accident. Next, fourth number is flood. F-L-O-O-D, flood. Next, then after fifth number is earthquake. E-A-R-T-H, earth, Q-U-A-K-E, earthquake. Then after sixth number is cyclone. C-Y-C-L-O-N-E, cyclone. Next, seventh number is storm. S-T-O-R-M, storm. Next, eighth number is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Next, ninth number is burnt. B-U-R-N-T, burnt. Next, tenth number is television. T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, television. Next, 11th number is newspaper. N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R, newspaper. Next, 12th number is victim. V-I-C-T-I-M, victim. Next, 13th number is drought. D-R-O-U-G-H-T, drought. Then after next, 14th number is blunder. B-L-U-N-D-E-R, blunder. Next, 15th number is collision. C-O-L-L-I-S-I-O-N, collision. Next, 16th number is epidemic. A-E-P-I-D-E-M-I-C, epidemic. Next, 17th number is hurricane. H-U-R-R-I-C-A-N-E, hurricane. Last one, 18th number is ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. So these are the hard words. First you have to write these hard words and then after you have to write the exercise. So now let me see the exercise. Here the first question is choose the correct option. So in that first one is earthquake is an example of dash or blank. Earthquake is the example of which kind of event? The options are an accident, a disaster, blessing or news. So here the answer is already given to you, that is disaster. So your answer is option B, that is a disaster. Earthquake is an example of disaster. Next second number is Raju hurt his leg while playing kabaddi. So what is this incident called? What is this event called when the Raju hurt his leg while playing? So the options are a news, a disaster, race or an accident. So here your answer is option D, that is an accident. This event or this incident is known as the accident. Next third number, which of the following is not a disaster? Which one is not the disaster? That means the example of accident. The options are earthquake, flood, storm, got cut with knife while cutting vegetable. So here your answer is option D, that is got cut with knife while cutting the vegetables. This one is the example of an accident, not the disaster. Next fourth number is getting electric shock is an example of blank. Getting an electric shock is an example of which kind of event? The options are accident, disaster, blessing or news. So here your answer is option A, that is accident. Getting electric shock is an example of an accident. So this one is your answer for the fourth number. Next is fifth number. A place where earthquake originates is called the blank. The place from where the earthquake originates, so that place is known as what? So this might you have heard in the newspaper or in news. The options are focus, tsunami, fault line or epicenter. So here your answer is option D, that is epicenter. The place from where the earthquake originates is called the epicenter for that earthquake. So your answer is option D, that is epicenter. Next sixth number, fire in the forest is an example of blank. The options are accident, rescue, disaster or none. So fire in the forest is example of the disaster, as it causes a destruction on a large scale, so that's why it is known as the disaster. Next seventh number, storm is an example of blank. The options are accident, disaster, both A and B, that means both accident or disaster, and none of these. So here your answer is option B, that is disaster. Storm is an example of disaster. Next same question, same kind of question. Flood is an example of blank. The options are accident, disaster, both A and B or none. So here again your answer is option B, that is disaster. Flood is an example of disaster. So your answer is option B, that is disaster. Next ninth number, which of the following is not a disaster? The options are earthquake, cyclone, tsunami or vehicular accident. So here itself in the option it is written that accident. So vehicular accident is an example of accident, not the disaster. The rest of the options, that is earthquake, cyclone and tsunami, these are the examples of disaster. So here your answer is option D, that is vehicular accident. Next 10th number, tsunami is an example of blank. The options are disaster, accident, both A and B and none of these. So here your answer is option A, that is disaster. Tsunami is an example of a disaster. Next 11th number, spread of an epidemic is an example of blank. The options are disaster, accident, both A and B or none of these. So spread of an epidemic, that means spread of any disease, so that is known as the example of the disaster. So here your answer is option A, that is disaster. Next is 12th number, collision with a vehicle is an example of blank. If you hit by a vehicle, then that is the example of, if any person hit by the vehicle, so that is the example of blank kind of event. The options are disaster, accident, rescue, or none of these? So here your answer is option B, that is accident. This kind of incident is known as the accident. Next, 13th number, child sleeps in monsoon day is an example of blank. The options are disaster, accident, both A and B, or none of these. So here your answer is option B, that is accident. Child sleeps in the monsoon season or on the wet floor is an example of an accident. So your answer is option B, that is accident. So here our first question gets over. So in this video we had seen the hard words for this chapter number 15, that is disaster and rescue, and question number 1, that is choose the correct option. The remaining exercise we will solve in the next video. Thank you.